In the last video, when we set the response body, the client received as an empty string. The reason why is the client will receive access to the resource they created, not from the actual response body, but from what is called a location header instead. A location header points to where the client can go and receive the new resource that was created. In Flask, headers work the same as key value pairs. And after we have the response, then this is where we want to set the headers. And we'll call response.headers, and this takes in a string. And by us explicitly setting what we want to be the header, this will set it for us. The final URL our clients will have is it'll be something of the format of books and then the ISBN number. We have to return something similar to this back to them in the code. And note here that we'll be using a relative path here because the client already knows what the server is because they're reaching it. We'll get the new book's ISBN and convert it to a string and then send that as the header. And we need to convert this ISBN from it into a string so it concatenates correctly. Let's open a terminal and run our server, as we'll call postman again. And this time we'll do a GET request to make sure everything is working correctly as it is. And then we'll send this post request now that we see our location headers being set correctly.